that purple wolf that just posted that posted a couple of months ago, I think, this video. Please tip to her. I absolutely hate that video. She's being mean to her favorite subscriber. Hi guys, pretty normal, right? But you won't believe what that YouTube famous YouTuber said to her. Said, please sub to Amy. It's Amy. Okay. Starts nice. You'll be like, Gigi, like, she's not even mean. You're just being overreacting. No, I'm not. Take a look. She'll be happy to find out that someone subbed to her. Everybody is, okay? We know if you said that. Okay, nice. But you. So please do it. Okay, nice. Innocent girl, you're saying. And you're saying right now, I bet you're saying, Gigi, you're the wrong one here. Thanks. What you didn't? WUTH, what the hell is this? She is the hell queen. If you want to be a meanie, then go off YouTube right now if you want to be mean. I wouldn't overreact, even me. I'm overreacting a little right now, but if you want to be mean to your fans, just even Jenna isn't being mean to her fans. If all the YouTube liked her, I understand she's your friend and all, but Purple Wolf, you need to calm down, okay? I'm not the one overreacting here. Like, the title sounds innocent and all, but you won't force somebody who doesn't want to do something, okay? If somebody's watching this and they don't even know who she is, how can they sub to her? Purple Wolf, if you're watching this, level up your logic, because here, my logic is to the next level of logic. So Purple Wolf, get your logic leveled up and be next to two people, okay? The video's nice and all at the start, but I ain't want no mean devil hyper screaming at my face. Nobody wants somebody screaming at their face just like that. And you don't even look mean to me. But if somebody down from 6 years old saw that video and they have really bad phobias, they'll be freaked out, and it's all gonna be Purple Wolf's fault. Sorry, Purple Wolf, but you are emojis. And posting the comments. You are not gonna force someone to sub her, and you're not even scary. Don't kill me. Also, I already did. Okay, almost 20. And sorry, Purple Wolf. I think I'm overreacting, but please do not do this if you're not a tuber. And do not force people to do anything except go in real life, of course. But don't post it to the whole internet. It could be private. Show it to one of your friends, but do not force anyone. If you're being bad, of course. If you're being bad like Jenna and Ariana, no, Ariana Grande, Ariana the best, and Jenna the best, you'll probably get your channel deleted, and worst of all, reported. And you might even get arrested. So don't be mean out there, my fans. If you want to start a viral YouTube channel or you're really viral and you're watching this, don't be mean. Don't be mean and don't turn into an evil, crazy demon to people and forcing people to do things. Bye, guys. This is a video. This is not a hate video. It's just a reacting video.